In front of me is Tecno Spark Go 2024, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps per machine. You need to begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to find Privacy section. Over here. Now click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. In my case, Location. Finally, you can click on one of your apps under one of those categories. I will go with Chrome from Not Allowed one and click on one of those options to change location access for this app. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up this one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature, tap on an app that you are interested in, and then, instead of tapping on any of those options, scroll all the way down. Now click on See All Permissions and manage all of those only for this app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!